Test 1, 2, 3. Okay, I record. Hi guys, hi gang, welcome to another Blender tutorial. Welcome to the liquid simulation. Okay, I am in Blender. Now, I'm gonna select this cube, click G, Z, and move this cube up. Okay, and how you can create a liquid simulation? It's very simple. You just select this cube, go to the object right here, quick FX, and just click quick liquid. Okay, and as you can see, we have this simulation of the liquid. Yes, this is our domain cube, and this is the cube that the simulation is kind of creating. Yes, these particles. But as you can see, this is particles, this is not a mesh. Okay, so let's just select this domain cube, this bigger cube, and go to the physics tab right here. Okay, I'm gonna bring down the values of the resolution. Resolution is how much detail the animation gonna be. Okay, the simulation. So remember always to adjust the resolution to your PC, because you're gonna your PC gonna blow up. Okay, so remember the resolution is how much detail the simulation is. Okay, we are here in this window. Yes, you must select mesh right here, and the first option is basically doubles the resolution. Okay, so remember always to adjust this. Yes, don't tap 1000 because your PC gonna blow up. Okay, I got to right here, so this double the resolution. Okay, so you must adjust the resolution and right here to your PC. Now I selected this mesh. Yes, and as you can see, we have now the simulation, and the simulation is kind of like mesh, not particles, because we selected the mesh. Yes, right here, so it's created. Now let's talk about a little bit about baking the simulation. Right here on the cache, you just select in the folder. You can adjust the start and end frame of the simulation, and right here on the type you have replay, modular. Okay, and you have right here the baking button. Now to be honest, it's better to select all, because you just baking all the stuff right here, and the mesh you baking too. If you selecting the modular, you just baking right here the first setting. Okay, not the mesh setting, so remember that. And always remember to selecting this button. Okay, and you can bake your simulation right here on the folder start frame, end frame, basic stuff like in the smoke simulation. Yes, now let's change the simulation. So I'm gonna select in this little cube right here, and on the physics tab, yes, we have here liquid, and here GMR3. Fuck my English. You get it. You just change in here on the first one, and as you can see, nothing's happened. Oh no, because we must bake the simulation. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna click the bigger cube, the domain cube, and I'm gonna maybe do frame 200. Yes, and I'm gonna bake. So give my PC a couple of seconds. It's baking. What does do this change in the simulation? Because first simulation was, like some kind of wave. Yes, this simulation is like the fluid is kind of falling down and filling up this cube. You can see it's falling, and you can see this our domain cube is full. This is the simulation, so you can change the simulation by selecting this smaller cube, and right here on the setting right here you must change in the here on the first one, or maybe on the geometry, or maybe on this. You just play with this stuff. Okay, so this is almost like the smoke simulation, but remember, if you're gonna create in I'm gonna create in one more time for you guys, because you can create the domain cube. Okay, you can create in this stuff. I'm gonna maybe scale, and you can create, just go to the physics tab, click fluid, okay, and you can click flow, no flow, I'm sorry, domain. And as you can see, we have our domain cube. Yes, now here we must change in not to gas to the liquid, and as you can see, this changing this cube. So we must go right here, and on this viewport desktop, just open this and change right here on the solid to the wire, and we have this domain cube that you're gonna see what is going on in the domain cube. So, and of course Shift A, and maybe I'm gonna add a sphere, G, Z, and you know, on the physics tab, fluid, and here on the flow, and here liquid. Okay, and this is simple stuff. Yes, if you want to create in this like this, the domain cube and the object that gonna create in the simulation, you can do this, but it takes time. So I prefer to do like Shift A. Maybe I'm gonna add a cube, selecting this cube, go to the object, quick effects, quick liquid, and Blender creating our domain cube and this stuff. Yes, so don't forget to select the domain cube, and here selecting the mesh, because if we're not gonna select it, this is just particles. Okay, as you can see, this is particles, this is not like mesh, so we must create in a mesh. So selecting here, remember this doubles the resolution, the first one, and adjust the resolution. I'm gonna adjust one more time. Okay, and you can bake your simulation right here on the cache, and you can select your folder and start end frame, and right here you can change the modular, all, or replay. Yeah, all, and always remember to select in this stuff, and you can change the simulation right here, just selecting this smaller cube, physics tab, and geometry to the first one or to the second one, and just selecting another big cube and bake the data, and the simulation gonna works. Yeah, this is how it works. I hope you understand this. I record this very fast, sorry, but I working on some stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching with me. What I'm saying, thank you, because I got another channel, fuck, whatever. Thank you guys for watching this episode, and see you on the next video.